So on this slide, we have simple linear equation, but there are a bit of fractions involved in it. So how do we do it when we have simple fractions involving linear equation? So the first thing is to remember the order in which you remove the numbers using the balancing method. So I said the number with the letter is the last thing to remove. So 3 is closer to 8, so that's the last thing we need to get rid of. We need to get rid of plus 4 before 3. Here, you got to get rid of 6 before 4 and that. So I'm going to go through step by step how to do it. So first, get rid of positive 4. So we minus 4 from both sides, and this will be 0 and this will be 6, and we have a over 3. So that's what we have. A over 3 actually means a divided by 6. It's a divided by 3, sorry. And if we're dividing a by 3, to get rid of divide by 3, we multiply both sides by 3. And 3 can cancel the 3. And 6 times 3 is 18, so a is equal to 18. Let's look at the next one. We must first get rid of the 6 by subtracting 6 from both sides. So you're going to have negative 3a over 4 on the left hand side, and this will give us 2. Negative 3a over 4 equals 2. The next bit is negative 3a over 4 means negative 3a divided by 4. So to get rid of divide by 4, we multiply through by 4, both sides. This 4 can cancel out this 4. We can work out this 4 as 8. 2 times 4 as 8. So negative 3a will now be equals to 8. Negative 3a means negative 3 times a. And to get rid of times by negative 3 is to divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 could be crossed out because it becomes 1. So x is equal to negative 8 over negative 3. And positive divided by negative is negative. So the answer is simply x is equals to negative 8 over 3. Don't put the negative on the denominator. It becomes, the whole fraction becomes negative. Pause and see if you can do number 9 yourself. Okay, now we need to get rid of 4 first, because the whole thing that is divided by 4. So dividing the whole thing by 4, to get rid of that, is to multiply both sides by 4. So this is what we have. And this 4 can now cross out this 4. So you're going to have only 2a plus 3 equals to negative 20. Now becomes a standard equation. To get rid of plus 3 is to subtract 3 from both sides. Three minus 3 becomes 0, so you're going to have 2a equals negative 23. And 2a means 2 times a, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, so you can cross that off. So a is equals to negative 23 over 2. You can leave it as a fraction, or you can leave it as a decimal. It's a matter of choice. So the answer is negative 23 over 2, or negative 11.5. So this is how to solve simple linear equation involving fraction. Next, we're going to look at when you have bracket involving linear equation. Bracket involving linear equation.